Wow, these fireworks look so awesome. I know, right? Yeah, back in like last year, July was better. Yeah, it's like the best fireworks all times. Me too. Actually, what y'all gonna do when you be at school next year? I don't know. What you wanna do at school? I don't know. Let's do something that has some fun and play some games. Yeah, that'll be fun. Also, if y'all want to play games, we're gonna get loaded because we're just teenagers. Yeah, let's just enjoy the fireworks, shall we? Yeah. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Sorry we didn't make an animation, but we might make it one like next year. So I promise you guys. So goodbye, everyone, and have a good time. Peace out.